A Chattanooga City Councilwoman testified inside a Hamilton County courtroom today that she tries to maintain her seat. Now, News 12's Nick Hill listened to all the testimony as Demetrius Coonrod made a surprising allegation on the witness stand. Nick.
The issue at hand right behind me in the circuit court inside the Hamilton County Courthouse on Thursday was whether or not councilperson Demetrius Coonrod continued to reside in District 8 throughout the past couple of years. An anonymous tipster emailed multiple city officials claiming that she had moved to a residence in Harrison. However, as she testified on Thursday, she says this is not the truth.
I have an idea of who it is, the person.
In the midst of her hearing on deciding where she lives, Coonrod made the accusation that the person who tipped off city officials about her residency situation had ulterior motives.
She called me before she released the information, and she told me she was going to release the information if I didn't drop out the race. And I told her that I wasn't going to drop out the race. I was still going to continue to run. And she told me that she was going to release information. And I said, okay, as long as you put your name on it.
That anonymous tipster claimed that Coonrod no longer lived at her foster mother's residence in Eastdale. Instead, they alleged she had moved to that Harrison home. Coonrod testified she purchased it in 2022 for use as a vacation rental and to eventually move into it. However, she testified she has since allowed her daughter and grandson to live there instead, as she still lives with her foster mom in Eastdale.
Why do you let her stay there? Why do you let her live there?
Demetrius has always been special to me, and I've always seen how she's tried to do the best she could.
Chattanooga City Auditor Stan Sewell testified that he led an investigation into Coonrod after receiving that anonymous tip. He says he poured through dozens of documents related to the 2022 purchase of the Harrison home.
Based on the investigation that we conducted, I would not be able to conclude that she had moved to and transferred her residence.
Coonrod says in the meantime she's watching her back as she testified to unusual behavior from the tipster.
The people that sent this anonymous email, they've been riding around, like trying to see where I'm at on the weekends to see where they can catch my car, take a picture, email it in.
This case is now up to Hamilton County Circuit Court Judge Michael Demetrio. He will decide whether or not Councilperson Coonrod will be ousted from her District 8 seat. Reporting from the Hamilton County Courthouse, Nick Hill, News 12.